Okay, so we finally finished this beautiful project with Kelsey in LA. We did custom walls and a beautiful tile. Came straight from no one knows, but it's beautiful. Kelsey, how was your experience with Green Advisor from the beginning till today that we finished finally all the way? Tell us a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, we know we have a home that has a lot of old character, and we were really trying to make sure that we were able to preserve the character of that while getting more functionality out of the kind of interesting shape of our yard. So the front yard space was really important for us to be able to create some space for our dog to run, for future kids to be able to play in. But we wanted to make sure we did that in a way that kind of kept the charm of the neighborhood. And so being able to have a wall and like details that were going to match the character and look like they were natural